Hey Walgreens friends, this is your preview video for the week of the 16th to the 22nd. We are a week away from Thanksgiving, and these two boosters showed up on Wednesday. A 15 back when you spend 60, that is online exclusive, and the 10 back when you spend 10, and that is both online and in store. Check the top of your coupons folder if you might have it. Always your mileage may vary, but that 10 back when you buy 10 is a really fantastic one to have. Please treat this video as a preview. The full ad, along with all of the digital coupons, will be published on Sunday the 16th. And that's when you'll be able to load the majority of the coupons. And we have a lot of fresh new deals here. And with that 10 back when you spend 10, there are so many potential freebies with that one as well. In case you missed it, a couple days back, I made a video for the Dollar General. They're having a clearance event from the 14th to the 20th. Just under a week long, and there's lots of very cheap items, including 27-cent shampoo. I mean, come on. I'll link the video at the end. Watch it if you love the Dollar General, or if you want to start getting some of these cheap items over at the Dollar General. I certainly do. Okay, so the first couple deals we're going to be looking at involve this. So hopefully you have the same one as I, but I think a lot of us have this one. Only my husband's card got it. I didn't. $8 for the Dove body wash with a 4 off 2 coupon and a $4 reward when you buy 2. Buying 2 of them, it's $16. Subtracting that digital coupon, have your booster loaded. Because it's a spend booster, for the balance, pay with your debit card. And you're getting back $10 in Walgreens cash and a $4 register reward, making this free plus a $2 money maker. As you're using a booster, don't use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. Okay, so for this next deal, you need your best friend loaded. And for this one, we're going to get an assortment of P&G laundry care products. If you're putting together one of those Christmas baskets, Christmas gift for your adult kids, this would be ideal. Like 1 Bounce dryer sheet, Tide Pod, Tide Liquid, just an assortment. 4 of those products is $19.96. There's dollar digitals for each product, so that's $4 melting off. Have your booster loaded. You're going to pay $15.96 with your debit card. Get back $10 in Walgreens cash, one $4 register reward, making it $1.96 for the 4 products, or 49 cents per. It's absolutely fantastic. Do not use any Walgreens cash as you're using that spend booster. And even creatively looking at this, if you have that $3.05 off Tide Pod coupon, this might be a freebie for you, but I know the majority of us have already used it. The next deal that we're looking at, again, we're going to use our best friend. You can only use this the one time, so pick and choose wisely which deal you want to use it on. But grabbing 3 of the $3.50 Crest products with the 5 off 3 digital coupon and a $5 reward when you purchase 3. Well, 3 of those products is $10.50. You're either grabbing the Crest in the hard container, it's like a little cylinder, or the Oral-B brushes for $3.50. 3 of them is $10.50. Subtracting that digital coupon, have your booster loaded. You're going to pay $5.50 with your debit card. Get back $10 in Walgreens cash plus a $5 register reward, making this free plus a $9.50 money maker. Do not use Walgreens cash as you're using the booster of spend 10 to earn back 10. But what a deal this is, and I'm absolutely loving it. Moving it along to the next deal. Again, we're going to use our best friend for the next couple deals just to give you a couple ideas on how do you make this work? Well, you make it work really well. We're going to grab a Dawn Power Wash and a Mr. Clean Freak, and then a very cheap piece of candy, 33 cents at checkout. So the total for that is $10.31. We have a $2 for the Power Wash and a $2 for the Clean Freak melting off. We have our booster loaded as well. With your debit card, pay $6.31. Get back $10 in Walgreens cash. It makes your 3 items completely free, and a $3.68 moneymaker. Do not use any Walgreens cash. But this deal, for a Clean Freak and a Dawn Power Wash, there's fire coming off my keyboard when I type this one out. It's such a great deal. Okay, our friend again. This is just another idea for another deal. This one is with the Old Spice kits. Now, if that IBOTTA rebate, the $7.50 back when you buy 2, is still populated in your IBOTTA account, this might be the week to do it. Grabbing 2 of them at $14.99, that's $29.98. There's a $2 digital. Have your $10 booster loaded. You'll pay $27.98 with your debit card. Get back $10 in Walgreens cash, $4 register reward for buying 2, $7.50 back from IBOTTA, making it $6.48 for the 2 or $3.24. And these kits have deodorant, body wash, shampoo. Don't use Walgreens cash as you're using that booster, but what a deal. And the last one we're going to look at with this is with the Shea and the Nexus shampoo. It's on this goofy promotion that when you buy 2 or you buy $20 worth, you're going to get back a $10 register reward. Grabbing 2 of the Shea products because that will be the cheaper one. That's $20. I'm thinking it might be a 5 off 2, but we'll have to wait and see what that coupon is on Sunday morning. Have your booster loaded. You would pay $15 with your debit card. Get back $10 in Walgreens cash, $10 register reward, free, and a $5 moneymaker. Do not use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance as you're using a spend booster, but not a bad little deal for some free fancy shampoo. Okay, the next couple deals we're going to look at, we're not going to mess around with that booster. We're just going to do straight deals. For the Pantene at $5.49, 2 of those would be $10.98. 3 off 2 digital coupon, you'll pay $7.98. Get back a $2 register reward, making it $5.98 for the 2 or $2.99 per unit. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. But a lot of us that love, especially the Pantene conditioner, this is not a bad little deal. The Schick. Now this one, we're probably going to have a $3 for the men's and a $3 for the women's. You have to grab 2 products, one at $14.99 and one at $9.99. Now alternatively, if the shave cream is part of this, 2 $9.99 razors and then a shave cream. But this isn't CVS, so you can't be like $19.98 and still get your register reward. It's not going to work. Okay, so 2 of these shaving products, a $14.99 and a $9.99 razor is $24.98. Subtracting $6 of digitals, you'll pay $18.98. Get back a $10 register reward, making it $8.98 for the 2 or $4.49 per shaver. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Moving it along, we have the Venus products at $12.99. Buy one, get one 50% off. It might be $11.99 or cheaper, but we'll have to see what's included. But 2 of the products at $12.99, BOGO 50% off, is $19.48. Subtracting 2 $3 digitals, that's $6 off right there. So you're going to pay $13.48. Get back a $6 register reward, making it $7.48 for the 2 or $3.74 per product. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. The next deal is with the Caress for $6. $5 reward when you purchase 2. Check the apps if there might be a rebate for Caress. Sometimes it pops up. 2 of these products will be $12. You're getting back a $5 register reward, making it $7 for the 2 or $3.50 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. If you wanted to use that 10 when you spend 10, that booster with this deal, I mean, it would just be fantastic. If you love Caress, you would get it completely for free, but you'd have to pay with your debit card for the balance. The Hello toothpaste, we have a new 3 off 2 digital coupon. It's $5 still with a $5 reward when you purchase 2. Grabbing 2 of the Hellos for $10. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $7. Get back a $5 register reward, making it 2 for 2 or $1 per. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. The Hello toothpaste is so flippin' expensive, so to get this even for $1 each, I think it's definitely a stock-up price. Let's talk about some really quick honorable mentions. The first one goes to the $1.99 Walgreens medium or small trash bags for $1.99. Usually 18 or 30 count for the smaller ones. Totally worth it for this price point. Buy one, get one free on the aluminum foil or plastic wrap or parchment paper with big baking season right around the corner. Buy some. And then we also have this. Now, we're going to have to test this out curbside. I know a lot of us went really crazy with Gillette and Secret. There might not be any left in stock, so I didn't do a matchup. But we'll certainly see if stores might have a restock or something. Maybe, possibly. Buy one, get one free on the Hershey's Dove Mars Holiday Candy. The Hershey's Kisses are part of this. So if you do those Blossom peanut butter Blossom cookies, buy one, get one free. That's a no-brainer. I would definitely stock up. And we have a bunch of cookies, two for $8. $4 per unit. This is typically what I give my neighbors before I would write out a list of all the ingredients in case of allergies. But this is the gold standard one I always buy for my elderly neighbors. I always like to spoil them with a big basket of stuff on Christmas Eve. It makes everybody so happy, and it makes me the most happiest just to see their smiling faces. Everything is very food heavy, guys, because Thanksgiving's right around the corner for all the new couponers. Like, this is so much food, you're friggin' pigs. No, because Thanksgiving's right around the corner. So lots of these, like buy two, get three for free, or there's some sort of special on these soda drinks because you're going to have company really soon. This is the sort of snack I need when I'm driving 2 hours to my in-laws' house. The $1.99 peanuts. Oh my gosh, they're delicious. And $3 Tostitos, Lay's, Doritos. Stock up. This is a very, very good price point. Dollar General linked right here if you want to check it out. Catch you guys in the next one. Stay cool. Bye.